very interested in doing something hands-on for my AP research class at school. And then that led me to the Total Experience Learning Research Program. It's really been an educational and inspirational experience.
Two of the biggest skills that I developed was just general creativity, but more so the ability to do something and not be afraid to fail. The mentorship was so close and one-on-one. I'd never really been in a situation where I was able to truly brainstorm, truly get into the nitty-gritty of the topic. I was able to start from not knowing anything about my topic, about materials science and thin film materials, and then become a adequate scientist in the lab as I grew. And now I can take that and continue to build on it as I do research at the collegiate level. I was very proud of using the research and hands-on experience that I was having within the lab to then create a legitimate research paper that I could then submit for my class, and I was happy to get my first ever 5 on an AP exam. I would highly recommend anyone and everyone to join this program, because if you are an innovative thinker, if you are a change maker or want to be either of those two, you will have the support, the mentorship, and the resources that you need to truly succeed and reach your goals to make an impact in society.